In Python, the hashtag symbol indicates start of a comment line. It's important to use comments in our code. Each program should have a comment explaining what it does. The print function generates screen output in Python. The value of any Python expression gets printed on the screen. Hi, Antonia. I need your help again. Could you tell me how I could get the information from the user?
Similar to print function, the input function is a part of the core library of standard Python distribution. The user enters input on the keyboard and hits the enter key. The input function captures the input and returns a string.
Okay, here's my code that gets user input, and the variable is called name.
That's right. The equal sign represents assignment of the value to a variable. The string is stored in a variable on the left-hand side of the assignment.
And I can now print the name entered by the user. And this is my result when I run the program. I would like to mention that I start the program by clicking Run menu and then clicking Run module. Alternatively, you could use F5 function key as a shortcut. Each time Run module either uses the existing console window or opens a new console window. Once I'm done, I normally close the console window and go back to editing my program. And is there anything else important to know about the input function?
Yes. Let's change the program to input a number. Here the code remains the same except now we modified the user prompt. Now it says, type the number and press enter. The name of the variable has also changed. Now it's called a value.
Okay, now I run the program and enter a number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And there is something else to remember. The input function always reads the input as a string, even if the entire input comprises of digits. You can use the type function to visualize the type of the variable.
Okay, since console that is running my module stores all variables in its memory, I can try this directly here in the console. I print type value inside the console and it tells me that class of the variable is str, which means that it's a string, not a number. So this is definitely something to keep in mind, that the input function always returns a string. We will discuss other types of data in our next video.